Baby Cheeto for a walk. He's okay to be walking around as long as he's wrapped up in the blanket. He doesn't like to be carried out unless he's wrapped in a blanket. But here's Baby Cheeto, just enjoying his walk. I guess he figures nothing can get him in this blanket. I did tell him it's a magic blanket, so I think he likes it better than the cat stroller. Yep. So we can walk the Cheeto. We can take Baby Cheeto for a walk. Yes, we can. We can take Baby Cheeto for a walk. See, not even those cars can get you. Oh, it's a little scary, huh? But I gotcha. Yeah. See? Boy. Oh, yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Like, yeah. This is all right by me, Dad. This is the yard that you usually see from inside the house. But let's take a look from the outside. There's Joshua working on his car. Joshua's the ones who found Cheeto in the park one day. Brought him home against our better judgment. See the flowers? You hear the birds? See, there's that window you're always looking out of. From this angle. Okay, Baby Cheeto, you ready to go back in? Or are you having too much fun outside? What is a bee? It's a bumblebee. I think it might be a honeybee. They're our friends. But you have to be careful or you might get stung. You don't want to eat one of those. And we need those. We need the bees.